sure, we just can't do a breakout room from this particular part of jail. We'll take them over to an interview room. Is that Paul? Who's there?
I can bring him over.
Oh, yeah. You just take him to one of the interview rooms and then.
Yep.
But will Mr. McEwen know how to call an interview room?
Well, if you tell me which room he's in, I can have my staff call into that room and I can speak to him on the telephone.
Okay.
Yeah, let me go put him in that room. I'm gonna go double check the 4-digit on it real quick for you. I'll come back and let you know.
All right, thank you.
Dylan, go pick up the next one then.
Mr. McEwen, I did speak to your client just briefly, and then he indicated that he had you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right. Good afternoon. Your name, please.
Dylan Schmidt.
Okay. Mr. Schmidt, this is a felony file 232115FY. I'm going to read it to you.
Your Honor, Jordan Safety on behalf of Mr. Schmidt, we did review the charging document and waive a formal reading. Mr. Schmidt was screened for a court-appointed attorney, but indicated that he would retain counsel. And at this point, does the court wish to hear arguments regarding bond?
Yes.
Your Honor, it's my understanding Mr. Schmidt is employed full-time at Transmatic in Holland. He's from Hamilton, has family in Hamilton, and he does have reliable transportation to the courthouse. The residence that he would be returning to is not the home of the listed victim. So we would ask the court to consider a PR bond at this point.
And Mr. Schmidt, based upon your lack of background, I am going to change this to a $1,000 PR bond. But that is a protective condition of bond still, meaning you cannot have any contact, direct or indirect, with Sonia Sargent. You cannot go where she lives or where she works. You cannot consume alcohol or any other controlled substance. You cannot possess a firearm or any other dangerous weapon. You cannot leave the state of Michigan without permission from the court. You understand and agree to those rules?
Yes, I do.
All right. You already have next court dates, probable cause conference on July 6th, and a preliminary hearing on July 11th. That's in courtroom B in front of Judge Belargin. You will get copies of those dates and times. You must show up for those dates and times. Do you understand?
Okay. Yes.
Set.
Mr. McEwen?
Yes.
4369 is the extension for the phone.
4369. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Mr. Norbeck, if it's okay, I'll log out. I'll talk to him and then I'll log back in. Is that okay?
Yes, that works.
All right. Thank you.
All right, in jail there, your name, please.
Christopher Steinberg.
Okay. Mr. Steinberg, this is a misdemeanor file 231992ST. I'm going to read it to you.
Your Honor, Jordan Safety on behalf of Mr. Steinberg, we did review the charging document and waive a formal reading. At this time, Mr. Steinberg would like to enter a plea of not guilty. Mr. Steinberg does not qualify for a court-appointed attorney on this case due to the nature of the charge.
Okay. Sir, I'm inclined to give you a PR bond. Do you have any other matters that are keeping you in jail?
Yeah, parole hold. I'm actually not even in jail on this right now.
All right. So do you want me to change it to $100 cash surety so you're getting credit on this? You want me to just leave it at
No,
PR?
I don't want it to interfere with the parole stuff.
All right. So no driving without a valid driver's license, but you are not in jail on these matters, and the impeding traffic will just keep following the misdemeanor. This will get a next court date in courtroom B in front of Judge Belargin. You will get a copy of those date and times. You must show up for those dates and times. You're all set.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So Kayla, we'll just